GC is trying to hit the jackpot right now. She's playing the Firecrackers. I can't even pronounce what that is. Oh, she almost went to the bonus. You go to the bonus random times on this one. That's $1.67. Come on, GC, hit the bonus. It's an 88-cent bet. So this is either going to be a video on how we hit a jackpot or the fastest way to lose $100. Oh, we almost went that time.
Almost did it.
We're almost at the top. We got to do is build them fireworks to go all the way to the top. I hope we got a chance.
And ZZ finna get up here and take some of the money and run with it.
Didn't do anything. Here's another chance. Didn't do anything. Another chance. Didn't do anything. See if we go. Oh, we almost went that time.
Just enough to keep ZC wishing.
Oh, that was $2.95.
And GC's are laughing.
I thought we had something there. Nope. No.
Look at this thing.
Not yet. We are still hoping on something. Come on, come on.
That's it.
Come on, let's get a big one.
Look at here.
Those little wilds keep popping up, but they're not in the right position.
That's for sure. Come on, that thing.
Nothing yet. It's close. All three firecrackers are close.
Just enough to keep DC.
Now, those are a lot of wilds there. $7. That's a $7 regular hit. So that'll give us a few more chips. Put back into the machine.
A few more, huh?
A few more chips. Come on, GC. Rub your lucky. You got your lucky.
I got all my. I just got this one here, my elephant and
Rub all your lucky stuff.
and I got this thing here that you gave me an Annie. I like.
Rub your lucky stuff. Let's go.
Come on.
Come on. That's a. Come on.
Come
Oh,
on,
that
lucky
would have
stuff.
been $3.
Come on, fall in there and stuff.
Come on, get a good one.
Let's go eat, Eric.
All
Come back
right.
and split this one. Stay over there for Annie's machine to get out of here.
We're calling it quits. We're gonna go eat. A few more spins and we're gonna go eat. We didn't hit this time. Oh, we almost went. We almost went up there that time.
Almost did.
Doesn't look like we're gonna hit this time, you guys.
Look at this thing.
Well, there's a $3 hit. Let's play it down to 50. Might as well. Cash out at 50. Come on. 50 or 100. Or better.
Prefer about 100.
Come on, we need a jackpot.
Ooh, I thought it was doing it.
We need a jackpot. Come on, jackpot. Jackpot, jackpot, jackpot. It's not $2. Come on, let's get a good one.
No, thank you.
Come on, let's get a good one. Come on, let's get a good one. Get up there. Come on, one bonus before we go. Come on.
That's for sure, just one. We ain't asking for much.
Western Village gonna give us a bonus.
Look at that.
Come on. Come on, Western Village.
Ain't no trick.
All right, we're getting. We got that's it. We're down to 60.